In a world constantly seeking natural and holistic approaches to beauty, Gua Sha has emerged as a shining star. This ancient technique, rooted in traditional Chinese medicine, is captivating beauty enthusiasts worldwide. Gua Sha offers a gentle yet effective way to enhance your natural radiance and achieve sculpted features. Let's delve into the world of Gua Sha and discover its transformative potential. More and more people are turning to natural ways to look and feel their best. Gua Sha is one such way, offering a path to natural beauty. With its origins in ancient wisdom, Gua Sha invites you to embark on a journey of self-care and rediscover your skin's natural vitality. Gua Sha, meaning scraping sha in Chinese, boasts a rich history dating back centuries. This ancient practice has its roots deeply embedded in traditional Chinese medicine, where it was revered not just as a healing technique, but as a holistic approach to health. In traditional Chinese medicine, Gua Sha was employed as a therapeutic technique to alleviate muscle tension, improve circulation, and promote overall well-being. Practitioners believed that by scraping the skin, they could release toxins and stagnant energy, thereby restoring balance to the body. Smooth-edged tools, often made from jade or stone, were gently scraped across the skin to stimulate acupressure points and encourage the flow of vital energy, known as qi. This process was thought to invigorate the body's natural healing abilities and enhance overall vitality. Over time, Gua Sha transitioned from a purely therapeutic practice to a coveted beauty secret. As people began to notice its rejuvenating effects on the skin, it gained popularity in beauty regimens. People discovered that the gentle scraping motions, when applied to the face, yielded remarkable aesthetic benefits. These benefits included reducing puffiness, enhancing skin elasticity, and promoting a radiant complexion. Today, Gua Sha has become a beloved ritual in skincare routines worldwide, celebrated for its ability to sculpt, tone, and rejuvenate the skin. Its enduring appeal lies in its simplicity and effectiveness, making it a timeless practice that bridges ancient wisdom with modern beauty. The allure of Gua Sha lies in its remarkable ability to transform the skin. By gently stimulating blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, Gua Sha helps to reduce puffiness and inflammation, revealing a more sculpted and contoured appearance. This ancient technique also promotes collagen production, which plumps up the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Furthermore, Gua Sha enhances the penetration of skincare products, allowing serums and oils to deeply nourish and revitalize the skin. The result is a brighter, more even skin tone and a natural, healthy glow that radiates from within. Gua Sha is a holistic approach to beauty, addressing multiple skin concerns with its gentle yet powerful effects. Section 4. Mastering the Art of Gua Sha, a step-by-step guide. Incorporating Gua Sha into your skincare routine is a simple yet rewarding practice. This ancient Chinese technique not only enhances your skin's appearance, but also promotes relaxation and well-being. Begin by cleansing your face thoroughly to remove any impurities. Then, apply a gentle facial serum or oil to provide the necessary lubrication for the tool, ensuring smooth and effective movements. Hold the Gua Sha tool at a 30-degree angle to your skin. Use gentle upward strokes to massage your face and neck, which helps to stimulate blood circulation and promote lymphatic drainage. Start from the center of your face and work your way outwards. Focus on areas where you experience puffiness or tension, such as under the eyes or along the jawline, to help reduce swelling and improve skin elasticity. Glide the tool along your jawline, cheekbones, under eye area, and neck. Use light to medium pressure to avoid any discomfort and to ensure the technique is both effective and soothing. Remember to always move the tool in an upward and outward direction. This helps to lift and sculpt the skin, giving you a more youthful and radiant appearance. Consistency is key, so incorporate this practice into your routine regularly for the best results. Section 5. Consistency is key achieving lasting results with Gua Sha. Like any beauty practice, consistency is crucial for achieving optimal results with Gua Sha. Regular use helps to stimulate blood flow, reduce puffiness, and promote lymphatic drainage, which are essential for a healthy complexion. Aim to incorporate this ritual into your skincare routine 3 to 4 times a week. This frequency allows your skin to adapt and respond positively to the treatment, enhancing its natural glow and elasticity. With regular use, you will notice a visible difference in your skin's texture, tone, and overall appearance. Your skin will feel smoother, look more radiant, and have a more even tone. After each use, ensure to clean your Gua Sha tool with warm, soapy water and store it in a safe and dry place. Proper maintenance of your tool is essential for hygiene and longevity. Embrace the transformative power of Gua Sha and embark on a journey towards natural beauty and self-care. This ancient practice not only enhances your skin, but also promotes relaxation and well-being. With patience, consistency, and the right tools, you can unlock your skin's true potential and achieve the sculpted cheeks you've always desired. Remember, beauty is a journey, not a destination.